Oink, oink. Oh, hi everybody. Welcome back for another amazing video. Spring is in the air, so let's begin with a very fun video. Huh? Lop, what are you doing? I'm just hanging out with my new buddies.
Hop, 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 hop. We're hopping. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, 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 hop. Hop, hop. Whoa, be careful of this flower.
Rabbits, rabbits, rabbits. Why are rabbits everywhere? Beep.
Ooh, what is this?
Oh, use the picture to solve the equation.
Hop, ow.
Sorry. No, it's fine. Take away. Today we're going to be practicing with subtraction. And just in case you forgot what subtraction is, which I think you kind of do, subtraction is the operation in which you lay things out in a set, you take some things away, and then you count how many are left over. So yeah, that's subtraction. Laying out a bunch of things in a set is the first step. The second step is to take some things away. And the third step is to count how many objects are left. So in this case, for example, let's count all the circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 circles. But if we take away 5 of them, there are 3 circles left. Because if we count 1, 2, 3, there are 3 circles left over. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles that were crossed out. So 8 minus 5 is 3. 8 minus 5 equals 3. You see where I'm going with this? Oh, yeah! So we could do any equation with these circles, really. Yes! As long as both of them are numbers. You know what numbers are, right? They are mathematical values that are used for counting, measuring, and labeling. So, let's see if we could do this one. Well, the first step is to count how many circles there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 circles in total. The second step is to subtract the circles. The number 6 in front of the minus sign shows that we need to subtract 6 of those instead of 9 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are crossed out. Then the third step is to count how many circles are left. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 circles left over. So 9 minus 6 is 3, and 8 minus 5 is 3. Therefore, 9 minus 6 equals 8 minus 5, because 3 equals 3. Do you get it? Oh, yeah! I barely even noticed that. But how about if we lay things out in a set, cross out all of them at once, and then don't count how many are left over? That is when the answer is 0, because you can't count forwards to 0. That's impossible. You could count backwards to 0, like 3, 2, 1, 0, but you can't count forwards to 0. That is very silly. So, yeah, that's a trick question. 4 minus 4 is 0, because if we look here, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 circles, but if we cross out all 4 of them, we don't have any circles to count. And when a value is empty, the number 0 represents that empty quantity. So guess what? 4 minus 4 is 0. Basically, when a number is subtracted by itself, like 4 minus 4, it results in 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. Even 0 minus 0 is 0, because the zeros are all empty quantities, so 0 minus 0 is 0 as well. Just to tell you, this should be easy because you already knew what subtraction was in kindergarten. But just in case you don't know, we will review it again because it could still be confusing for many kids out there. So yeah, That's a trick question. There are no circles left. That is 0. That is a special kind of equation. 4 minus 4 is 0, where the answer is 0. However, if we look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, we subtract 3, and there are circles to count. So 7 minus 3 is not 0. Be careful. The equation could only result in 0 if a number is subtracted by itself. 7 is subtracted by 3 instead of itself, so it's not 0. Instead, if we count the circles, there are 4 of them. So 7 minus 3 is 4. Wow! Are there any other ways we could subtract? Actually, yes. Besides numbers and circles, we could also subtract using a lot more things, like markers, blocks, even rabbits. Rabbits? Hop, hop, hop! Yes, that's right. We could stand in a line. Some of us can hop away, and then you can count how many of us are still left over. Yes, of course. That's perfect. Okay. This equation is 6 minus 5. Okay, bunnies, here's what we're going to do. I'm going to say a subtraction equation, and you are going to line up. You ready? Yes. 6 minus 5. Go. 6 bunnies. Come on. 6 bunnies in a line. Hop. 1. Hop. 2. Hop. 3. Hop. 4. Hop. 5. Hop. 6. Okay, there are 6 rabbits. So the 6 rabbits kind of represent the 6 circles we see in this drawing, because all 6 rabbits are there. But what if 5 hop away? Come on, bunnies. 5 hop away. Hop. 5. Hop. 4. Hop. 3. Hop. 2. Hop. 1. There is 1 bunny left. Huh? But you counted backwards. We didn't say 6 minus 5. Ah, but counting backwards is how we subtract in the first place. What? You see, we lay all these circles out in the set, so we count forward to get 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's called counting on. However, when we cross out the circles, there is a less amount. So the amount of circles is less. So that means we have to count backwards in order to find the answer. 6 minus 5, we count forward 6 times to get 6 circles, but then we also have to count backwards 5 times because we crossed out 5 circles. So 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And just in case you missed that, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1s were 5 numbers. So 6 minus 5, if we count, there's 1 left. So 6 minus 5 is 1. And if we count the amount of bunnies still hopping, hop, hop, there's 1 left. Hop, 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 hop. Wow! Subtraction is amazing! Yes, it is. But let's increase the difficulty level. How about 8 minus 4? This may involve me. All rabbits. Hop 1. Hop 2. Hop 3. Hop 4. Hop 5. Hop 6. Hop 7. Hop 8. Okay. So there are 8 rabbits. Okay. There are 8 rabbits. Like this, 8 circles, yes. But then we need to cross out 4 circles. So 4 rabbits, hop off. Hop 1, hop 2, hop 3, hop 4. Okay, we subtracted 4 rabbits from the other 8. But how many rabbits are still there? Let's count the amount of rabbits. Hop 1, hop 2, hop 3,
hop.
4. Oh, that's how subtraction works. I understand. 8 minus 4 is 4. Because if we took all 8 bunnies back again, we could see that there are 8 bunnies. We have to count on or forwards to get 8 bunnies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But then, if we make 4 bunnies leave, we have to count backwards 4 times because we crossed out 4 rabbits. So, remember, we counted up to 8. So let's count backwards 4 times. 8, hop, 7, hop, 6, hop, 5, hop, 4. 7, 6, 5, and 4 were 4 numbers. So 8 minus 4 is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right, Byron. Great job. Thank you. 8 minus 4 equals 4. And you are right. We should count forwards to see if 8 is the actual first number, and it is. Then we need to count backwards to subtract 4 circles, and then we need to count the amount of circles that are left over, which makes 4 circles. Great job! You could also increase your challenges and see if the subtraction equations shown in word problems are actual or fake. In other words, you could test your limits to the sky by identifying equations that are true or false. So, have you ever heard of true or false games? Or have you ever heard of truth or dare? It's kind of like that, except with equations, which we're going to do. There are 8 people at the party, then 2 people leave. Now there are 6 people at the party. All right, rabbits, you know what to do.
Hop 1, hop 2, hop 3, hop 4, hop 5, hop 6, hop 7.
Time for me. And hop. 8. There are 8 of us. 8 rabbits. Okay, so 8 rabbits kind of represent 8 people at the party. But then 2 people leave. Okay, any 2 rabbits, hop away. Let's start counting backwards. Because remember, we just counted up to 8. So let's count backwards 2 times. 8,
Hop,
7,
hop 6.
There are 6 rabbits left. And the word problem said there are 6 people at the party. Well, duh, 6 is equal to itself. So that is true. 8 minus 2 truly equals 6. Because, if we look over here, we lay out all 8 rabbits in a group, but then we made 2 rabbits leave. That makes 6 rabbits. So, another way we could do this is to draw 8 circles, but then split a line into 2 circles on that side and some other circles on that side. We cross out those 2 and then count the circles in the other group. That makes 6. So that is true. 6 equals 6 after all. So that is true. Well done! Thank you. There are 8 rabbits, but if we counted backwards 2 times, 7, 6, there are 6 rabbits. And plus, 7 and 6 are 2 numbers. So that's why we subtract 2. And the answer is 6. Because if we look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes! 8 minus 2 equals 6. So that one is true. But how about this one? Let's look at it. There are 6 cups on the table. Tim puts 3 cups in the dishwasher. Now there are 2 cups on the table. Wait a minute. Am I seeing what I am seeing? This problem feels a little odd. Do you notice something odd about this story problem? It has 3 completely different numbers. Well, that's not the main reason, but good job. Byron is not so sure if the equation's correct. Let's check to see. So there are 6 cups on the table. Come on, 6 bunnies.
Hop, hop,
I might take a break.
hop. Yeah, I might take a break too.
Okay, 6 bunnies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 rabbits. Okay, the 6 rabbits represent 6 cups on the table. Now, Tim puts 3 cups in the dishwasher. So 3 rabbits, hop away. Let's count backwards 3 times, because remember, we already counted up to 6. 6.
Hop,
5.
hop,
4.
hop.
3. 5, 4, and 3 are free numbers. Wait a second. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 rabbits left over. But the word problem said there are 2 cups on the table. Wait a minute. The equation must be false. You are right, Byron. This equation is a fake equation because if we look here, 6 minus 3 is 3. If we draw out 3 circles on one group and some other circles on the other group, we cross out 3 and count 3 to get 3. However, there are not 2 circles because 3 is 1 more than 2. 3 is not equal to 2. So guys, 6 minus 3 is not equal to 2. 6 minus 3 equals 3 instead. That is a false equation. Well done. 6 minus 3 is not equal to 2. This is the not equal to sign. It illustrates that 2 numbers are not equal to each other or different, have different values. So 6 minus 3 is 3, not 2. Be careful. 6 circles. Split in half. 3 circles there. 1, 2, 3. 3 circles there. Not 2, because there are 3 here. So 3 is not equal to 2, because 6 minus 3 is not equal to 2. So this equation is false. Well done, Byron. Thanks. Because remember, there are 6 rabbits. And if we counted backwards 3 times, 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, and 3 were 3 different numbers. So 3 was the answer. 1, 2, 3. There are 2 rabbits there, but then there is 1 extra rabbit, which makes it no longer 2. So it is not 2. It is 3. That's the answer. So 6 minus 3 is not equal to 2. 6 minus 3 equals 3. So, yeah, be careful. They try to trick you sometimes. They really try to prank you. Okay, last one. There are 7 birds in the tree. 4 fly away. Now there are 4 birds in the tree. I think it's fake. Let's see if you're right, Byron. Okay, 7 rabbits. I think I'll be included. Do you want to be included? Yeah. Okay, 7 rabbits. Hop 1, hop 2, hop 3, hop 4, hop 5, hop 6, hop 7. Okay, there are 7 rabbits in total, which represent 7 birds in the tree.
Let's flap like birds.
Yeah, nice one. Now, 4 fly away. Come on, bunnies. Hop away. Get it? Fly away, hop away. 7 minus 4. Come on. There are 7 of us. 7 rabbits. However, 4 rabbits have to leave. So let's count backwards 4 times. Remember, we counted 7 rabbits. So let's count backwards 4 times. There are 7. Hop. 6. Hop. 5. Hop. 4. Hop. 3. There are 1, me, 2, me, and 3. Me. 3 rabbits left. But wait. The word problem said there are 4 birds in the tree. Wait a minute. I'm correct, right? Correct! Woohoo! Great job, Byron. 7 minus 4 is not equal to 4. So you're right, Byron. The equation is false. Great job! Aw, thank you. You're welcome. 7 minus 4 is not equal to 4. Because if we look over here, there are 7 rabbits. And if we took away 4 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 1, 2, 3 rabbits left. Not 4. Be careful. So 7 minus 4 is 3. But 3 is not equal to 4. So guys, 7 minus 4 is not equal to 4. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3, not 4. So the equation is false. Wow! I'm surprised to see that this one was the only true equation. Yes, Byron, they try to really trick you a lot. We could use rabbits, markers, blocks, pretty much anything to add and subtract. Bye, everyone! Hop, hop, hop! Happy springtime! Hop, hop, woohoo! Hop, hop, hop! Hey, I'm hungry. Do you want some lettuce?
Yeah, sure. Hop, 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 hop.
Hey, where is that one going? He's just going to get some lettuce. I'll go get some carrots, too. Hop, hop, hop. Hey, look at that. There were 8 rabbits to leave. Now there are 6 rabbits. Another equation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Subtraction is full of wonders. Lots of wonders. Come on, 6 rabbits. March. Hop. Do 1. Do 2. Do 3. 4, 5, and 6. Do. There are 2 of us. 6 plus 2 is 8. 7, 8.
Hop, 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 hop. Hey, come back. Oh, row. Hey, come back, buddy. Hey, you are my best buddy. Come back here. No. Row. Oh, hop, hop.
That tickles. Choo! Ow! Ugh. One dog sneezed. One dog leaves. There are 0 of them. 1 minus 1.
Bye.
Huh?